Today we will be unpacking a set for making sushi and rolls, which contains 14 items. I'll also show you what basic foods you'll need to cook them. The first bag contains 2 different wooden rice spatulas and 2 bamboo mats for making rolls. The second bag contains a sushi bazooka. It is needed to squeeze perfectly round rolls out of it. We will also need a special knife for slicing avocados. The next attribute of our kit is a silicone brush. It is needed in order to lubricate the sheets of nori algae with oil. Look at how beautifully the sushi sticks are wrapped. So we have 4 black sticks for 2 people. We will also need 2 small plates to pour soy sauce into them. And these miniature ducks are used as holders for sushi sticks. Now I will show you the basic products that you will need to make sushi and rolls. The first product is, of course, rice. This bottle contains rice vinegar. It is needed to make rice dressing. We will pour the unagi sauce into small plates and dip the rolls in the sauce. Ginger is also an indispensable attribute when eating sushi and rolls. Wasabi is a spicy snack that can be put on top of rolls. Nori seaweed is the basis for cooking Japanese dishes such as sushi and rolls. Nori leaves are dried, not fried. Here is a set of items and products you may need to make sushi and rolls. Enjoy your meal!